Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Thatcher local and long-distance movers near me. Moving can be a difficult, emotionally draining, and time-consuming event for everyone involved. To avoid this stress, you should seek professional guidance. 3 Movers is Thatcher's most economical moving company for both local and long-distance moves. To suit the relocation demands of our prestigious customers, we recruit professionals who are cautious, well-trained, skillful, efficient, readily available, credible, and knowledgeable. Aside from that, our movers are dedicated to completing their tasks on time and according to the timetable. Have you ever had to manage your children while also doing another physically and emotionally taxing activity at any time in your life? If you have, you'll understand that this is not an easy task to do in a short period. Let us manage your relocation process while you attend to your kids, business, and other vital activities. In our moving businesses, we endeavor to provide complete client happiness and a feeling of accomplishment to our customers. In addition to interstate removals, our moving company also specializes in long-distance intrastate relocation services. Long-distance migrations are mostly costly than local relocations since they take longer to complete. Moves that need extensive preparation and time are also more complicated than short-distance moves. It is necessary to research the amount of traffic congestion in the new area you're relocating to during the planning stage of the relocation and choose the time when traffic is at its most manageable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thatcher moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.